workers climb high and cut large sections at once, the sudden weight shift can violently shake the tree. This is called domino tree cutting. It's when loggers partially cut several trees in a row, leaving them standing. Then they completely cut the last one, making it fall and hit the next, creating a chain reaction, each tree knocking down the next like falling domino. If trees could speak, what do you think they'd say right now?